in Patiala, where Captain Amrinder Singh is defending his turf, and he is of course challenged by the Akali and the BJP candidate JJ Singh. What was interesting was that the red carpet was literally rolled out. Take a look at these amazing pictures from Patiala.
Carpet welcome with flowers for the voters here on this polling booth in the Women's College for Girls in Patiala. And incidentally, this happens to be the polling booth of Captain Amrinder Singh also. A little while ago, this red carpet was removed, but now the administration has put it back. The opposition polling agents are alleging that the red carpet was for Captain Amrinder Singh, but the administration is saying that this has been done as per the guidelines from the Election Commission of India. Two such polling booths have been decorated with red carpet and flowers and garlanded like this. It is as per the guidelines of the Election Commission. It's nothing to do with the polling of Captain Amrinder Singh, but the opposition is alleging that Captain Amrinder Singh's polling booth is being given a VIP treatment. So that's the scene here. The administration is sticking to its ground, saying that this is a special polling booth. Two such polling booths have been decorated. This is just one of them. This has been done as per the guidelines of the Election Commission. With camera person Arpit Jaiswal in Patiala, Anand Patel for NDTV.